Your bike can easily be positioned and secured on the BMW Rear Bike Carrier Pro 2.0. To ensure you do not damage your BMW or your bikes, make sure you fasten the bikes properly. Position the bike on the carrier and tighten the short retaining arm loosely to a suitable place on the bicycle frame. Thread the lashing straps on the wheel holders centrally through 2 wheel spokes and tighten the lashing straps. Ensure that the short retaining arm remains free of tension. Tighten the clamp and lock the rotary handle. In case you want to secure a second bike, you can use the long retaining arm. Attach the long retaining arm to the carrier and after positioning your second bike, tighten the clamp to a suitable place on the bicycle frame. Again, lock the rotary handle. The fold-down function of the bike carrier is there to ensure no damages are caused when opening the trunk while the carrier is attached. Make sure you use both hands to secure the bicycle carrier or the load. Stand with one foot on the foot lever below the registration plate and put the bicycle carrier down carefully. Don't neglect the maximum load of 60 kilograms to prevent damages to both BMW and bikes. Keeping the maximum load under 52 kilograms, a third bicycle rail can also be installed to carry 3 bicycles at once. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.